Hey drivers, this is Andrew, ThirdCoastRC, and today we're going to take a look at what's in this box here. Yeah, this is the new Imex Humvee, and this is an unboxing, so we're just going to take a look at this. So this comes like this in this box. It's the 4x4 Humvee. Man, look at this box that it comes in. Even the box is awesome. So we're going to lift it, get out of the box here. So the official unboxing of this vehicle. We'll get this out of the way. Alright, so we can see here, beautiful box showing the details of the vehicle. 2.4 gigahertz. It's got this cool carrying handle on it. So this is a top of the line one. It's available in a few different configurations, but this is supposed to get everything on it, which is of course central speed variator. It's got the sound system on it. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and take a look inside it. Open the box here. Oh man, look at this. It comes in a cool case. Look at that. I always want a case for my RC cars and I can never find one. This one comes in a case from the factory. So we'll pull this out of the box. Bottom of the box here, got the detailed instructions of this 2-speed electric vehicle. Got some stickers and things here, so we'll leave them in that box for now. So this is a tough case. This is not just styrofoam, it's some other kind of material. It's got this nice textured finish to it. Let's see how we open this. It's got a little handle here. Okay, it's magnetic catchers all the way around, look. So look how that protects your investment. That is really awesome. So what have we got in here? We got the vehicle, which is the desert camo version. We got the radio here. Okay, just take a look at the radio. It's still sealed in its bag. This is a 16 channel radio. So this by itself is a valuable piece. Dual antennas, all kinds of switches here that we'll have to figure out in our next video what all these things are going to do here. But you can see we've got smog. So if you know, that's like a smoke generator, brake, gear, light, left and right, before and after cut over, all kinds of different adjustments you can make through this 16 channel radio. So let's see if we can lift this guy out of his case. Case is so good, it's a little bit tricky to get the vehicle out. We'll have to figure out the best way to do this here. So we'll do it this way. We'll just let it kind of come out using some of its own momentum. There we go. Oh wow, so there's the vehicle. We'll put it down here. Inside the box here we've got more ancillary items. We've got a lanyard and a USB cord for the radio. There's a machine gun here. We've got some tools and some zip ties, some additional nuts and bolts. We've got a high quality 2.5mm screwdriver here. That's a good one. We've got more screwdrivers. They give you a full kit of screwdrivers, what you need for this truck. These are really good quality. We sell these similar to these in our shop for like $10 each. That's a 1.5mm to 2mm. So we've got a full set of hobby grade drivers. Some else in here, an ammo box, and at this point in time I have no idea what this is, but I guess we'll figure it out. We'll close the case up, put it over here. I'm going to take the vehicle, I'm going to go put it on the hood of the truck here, go back in the sun here. So we'll take it around here, we'll take a closer look. So this is a beautifully detailed vehicle here. I can see that already. We've got side mirrors, Guess this is a snorkel. We got chains on the back here, we got tow hooks on the back here, we got tow assembly on the back here, got very nice quality, very soft tires here on the underside of the vehicle, all fully hobby grade, every part is replaceable on here, beautiful metal universals here, central gearbox, independent suspension system, 4 shocks on each. The vehicle looks stunning. Let's have a look in the back here. We've got a hatch that opens on the back here. Look at that. Inside here we've got more things. We've got a the machine gun. Oh, this is a like a long-range rifle, because we've got like a little rifle stand for it here. I have no idea if these pieces are removable or not, but this little case opens up. That's where the battery goes. This is where your LiPo battery with Dean's connector on here is going to go in the bed of this truck. So we're going to be doing another video on this once we fully understand more about this vehicle. We can see here that I suspect this tailgate actually opens somehow, because that side is opening, but I'm going to read the manual before I want to do any damage to this beautiful vehicle. We've got all these pieces on the top here, got an on-off switch. I'm assuming that somehow this piece has got real hinges here, so I think that piece is going to move off here somehow, not sure. Oh, it's going to rotate, yeah, so we're going to have a rotating gun turret on the top. Let's take a look. The front here, we've got bumper, more tow hooks on the front here. Not immediately sure if the hood opens on this vehicle, but we're going to be checking that out more in the future. It looks like it does, look, because it's got these little proper catches on the side here that you can undo, these little catches, and then I assume that we can open this hood somehow, but like I say, till I know how to do it, I'm not going to force it. But you do have these little catches. Awesome quality of this vehicle. I mean, these vehicles are not cheap, you know. This truck is going to be north of $500. It weighs a fair amount, yeah. I mean, it's got a lot of metal components on here. It's very heavy. I would estimate it probably weighs 10 pounds. You can see the doors have little handles on them. You can actually lift them, pull the handles. The doors open. You can see inside the interior here. Well, they do have little lock-in handles that are operated. They operate those little latches inside. I assume the other side does the same. Yep, we can see inside the truck there. Same on this one. Got a gas cap here. Sure it's not an electric charging point. Alright, so this thing is looking really cool, and we're going to study the instruction manual more. We'll take a look at a few of the things. We're going to go back and I'm going to put it back in its case. Next time we'll show you some more details on this truck. We'll get it out and we'll put it on the street. We'll figure out all the different controls. Pop open this magnetic case again. That is awesome. We'll fold these mirrors in. Yes, they fold that way. We'll pop this vehicle. And this is a cool case to keep this vehicle in. It is really nice. Drop the vehicle back inside there. Make sure that hatch is closed. And we'll put the radio back in here. Goes this way. There we go. Put all these ancillary items back in here as well. Well, I'm going to leave those out for now. So we're going to be putting them on the vehicle later today. And what we'll do is we'll get back with you. We'll get back with you tomorrow. with another video. Maybe not tomorrow, in the next couple of days we'll get another video up of this. We'll get a video of this truck in operation. We'll explain all its functions, and you know, I'm really excited about this. This is going to be cool. I love military vehicles, I love scale vehicles, and this is both, and it's exceptional quality. You can just see by this case that it comes in. It's just amazing, this case that it comes in, and the equipment that you get with it. Excellent job of putting this truck together. Let's hope it performs as well as it presents, and we'll see you with a part 2 video of this truck shortly. Thank you. Bye.